Joining us now to discuss this further is healthcare logistics expert Dr. Larry Kaplan, and a pleasure to have you with us today, Dr. Kaplan.
It's my pleasure to be here.
Well, let's pick up with the latest developments that we were just talking about out of California. Should churches be treated different than businesses when it comes to reopening?
Well, churches, in my opinion, churches are essential. And from a healthcare perspective, the work that churches have been doing, and keep in mind, churches are not closed. The buildings may be closed, but church is not closed. The work the churches have been doing is in many ways not only essential, but it's also healthcare services. It's supporting mental health, supporting drug and alcohol abuse, supporting domestic violence, supporting, there's a host of things that the church does that, in my personal opinion, is essential. So I differ greatly from the findings. I think that we need churches more than ever right now.
Well, everyone is trying to figure out how to safely open their businesses and their houses of worship. What steps are most important, and are there any things that perhaps the average person wouldn't be thinking about?
Yeah, Docs Health is an organization that's been helping we're a logistics health organization. So we've been delivering care for the U.S. military for 25 years, school-based programs. So we have a lot of experience in getting care to populations where they operate and making sure that that gets delivered. Churches can be open today in a way that allows the church to function the way it would normally function, as well as maintain the health issues that we've worked so hard to try and protect the country from the expansion of COVID-19. So there are a number of policies that can be put into place very rapidly for churches to go to open up at close to normal capacity.
So what are some of those steps?
Sure. So the first thing that the church would want to do is we want to put into place an actual written plan. And we want the plan to be available to the parishioners so they understand exactly what's going to happen. What we've instituted in other cases is the parishioners can go onto their mobile devices, onto their computer, and fill out a health survey and a social history survey. That lets the church know that this person doesn't have any symptoms and that they haven't been exposed to anyone who is potentially COVID-19 positive. Because the first thing we want to do is try and keep people who are positive from going to the church in the first place. We want to try and keep it as a safe place from the transmission of infection. The next thing that we do is
to do that because churches are there to help people, and you don't want them to find themselves in a situation of harming themselves more than helping them. We got to leave it right there. We're out of time, sir, but thank you so much for your time and for your insights.
Okay, thank you very much.